Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send an ACH from Mercury Bank. So, let's get started. If you need to pay vendors, contractors, or transfer money between accounts, sending an ACH payment from Mercury Bank is one of the easiest and most cost-effective options. The process is simple, but you need to make sure all the details are correct to avoid delays or failed transfers. First, log into your Mercury Bank dashboard using your browser. Once you're inside your account, go to the Transfers tab. This is where you'll manage all outgoing and incoming payments, including ACH transfers. Next, click on Send Payment or New Transfer. You'll be asked to choose the type of transfer, so make sure you select ACH. This option is usually free and takes about 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on timing and bank processing schedules. After that, you'll need to select the recipient. If you've already added the person or business before, you can simply choose them from your saved contacts. If not, click on Add Recipient and enter their details, including their name, bank account number, routing number, and account type. Double-check this information carefully because even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail. Once the recipient is selected, enter the amount you want to send. You may also have the option to add a note or description for your records, which can be helpful for tracking payments later. Now, review all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the recipient, amount, and payment method are correct. When everything looks good, click Confirm to send the ACH payment. Keep in mind that ACH transfers are not instant. If you submit the transfer before the daily cutoff time, it usually starts processing the same day. Otherwise, it will be processed on the next business day. And that's it. That's how you can send an ACH from Mercury Bank quickly and safely. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.